Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Common error codes for GE portable air conditioners include E1, sensor error, E2, water tank full, and E4, defrost error. E1 indicates a problem with the temperature sensor, E2 suggests that the internal water tank needs to be emptied, and E4 means the unit needs to defrost. Address these issues promptly to ensure optimal performance and avoid damage to the unit.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.